Today, let's see how we can use the SUMIF function within the Excel. So, as you can see on my screen, I already have my products with my cells, and within here, we're going to use what we call the SUMIF. Now, what is the difference between the sum and the SUMIF? Now, the sum only adds up numbers with one range, but here, SUMIFs, you can identify which product or which column you want, which cell you want to sum up. That is the difference between the two, the sum and the SUMIF. Okay. And within here, I want us to use the SUMIF to find the total sales for Apple sales. And after that, we shall use the SUMIF to find the sales which are greater than 200. Okay. So let's see how to use the SUMIF to identify or to add up only those products with only Apple, right? So we just click in our cell where we want our result. We start off with our equal sign, then we type the SUMIF function. It will be highlighted like this. Then you double click it. Then it will ask you for the range. Now this time our range will be in our product column. So we just highlight our product column like this. Then you put a comma. Then it will ask for us for the criteria. Now the criteria, since we want the result to be from the Apple product, so within here we shall type our Apple product. As you can see, you type Apple like that. Then after that you put a comma. Then it will again ask you for the sum range. Now the sum range this time will be our cells column. So we shall highlight all our cells as you can see. Then we put a bracket there, then we hit enter. Now what it does, it only summed up the totals for the Apple product. Hope you get it. Okay. So within here, let's see another example. We want to sum up our cells, but we sum only those which are greater than 200. So what we shall do, we click our cell where we want our results, start off with a equal sign, then we type the SUMIF function. Okay, we double click it. It will again ask us for the range. Now this time, since we want the total sales which are greater than 200, so this time our range will be only the sales column where we have our sales. Then we put a comma. Then our criteria will be, this time we want those which are greater than 200 within the sales column. So we shall put a greater sign here, greater than 200, as you can see. Then we close up this, then we hit enter, and it gave us the result. It only summed those cells which are greater than 500. And when you look up here, we have only which are greater than 200. We have only this orange which has 300 and this Apple which has 250. Okay, and when you add up these two, you get 550. So basically that's how we use the SUMIF function within the Excel. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and let's meet in the next video.